In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record EIDL payments in QuickBooks Online. We're going to walk through how to set up an account in QuickBooks Online so you can properly track your EIDL loan. Getting this right from the start makes your books cleaner, your reports more accurate, and tax time a lot less stressful. I'll go slowly and explain why we're doing each step, so even if you're not an accounting expert, you can follow along confidently. First, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online company file. On the left-hand side, look for the main navigation menu. From this menu, click on Accounting. This is where QuickBooks stores all of your accounts, like your bank accounts, income, expenses, and loans. Once you're on the accounting page, you'll see the chart of accounts. Think of the chart of accounts as the master list of every bucket where your financial transactions are stored. To add a new bucket for your EIDL loan, look for the New button, usually located in the upper right corner of this section, and click on it. This opens the window where we'll set up the new account. In the Account Type drop-down, you'll see several options for how QuickBooks categorizes accounts. Because an EIDL loan is a debt that you'll be paying off over a longer period of time, we're going to choose long-term liabilities. This tells QuickBooks that this is money your business owes and will be repaying beyond just the next few months, which keeps your balance sheet accurate. Next, we need to name the account so it's easy to recognize later. In the Name field, type EIDL Loan. You can keep the name simple like this so that whenever you're recording payments or reviewing reports, you immediately know which loan this is. If you have multiple loans, you could add a short description in the Detail or Description field, such as the year you received the loan, but that's optional. After you verify that the account type is set to long-term liabilities and the name is EIDL Loan, you're ready to save your new account. Click Save and Close. QuickBooks will add this account to your chart of accounts, and you'll now see EIDL Loan listed among your liabilities. With this account created, you'll be able to record your EIDL loan balance and track payments against it accurately going forward.